Hi, I'm Catherine from Collier County Public Library, and I'd like you to check out this book. It's Martha Stewart's Organizing. It's a manual for bringing order to your life, your home, and your routine. She gives examples of personal calendars, which I love, tells you what to do month by month, and then room by room advice, and then easy to follow routines and checklists. The chapter I'm going to talk about today, and that I paid special attention to when reading through the book, was evaluating my home office space. This is my home office desk behind me. I did as she instructed to. I first removed all the items in each and every drawer, put them all into the middle of the room, and then really streamlined the space. Figured out what I needed. I was focusing on being a minimalist and just keeping what I need in this space for the space to be used at this space. So I wanted to keep the space clean, contain my odds and ends, and I did that in a lot of the small drawers here. It ended up holding a lot, and then I really wanted to personalize the space. So this is what I use every day. I use my book lover's journal once a week, where I write down every book that I'm reading and a quick character analysis or some tips from the books. And then I use one line a day journal. It's a 5-year memory book, so I keep those real handy. And then I bought some boxes up on top for paperwork that I use once a week. And of course I had to put a plant on top because I have to have plants everywhere in the house. But these boxes are papers that I review or bills that I need to pay, and I put those in there, and then I look at those once a week. So check out this book, Martha Stewart's Organizing. It's in the Dewey Decimal System. It's a nonfiction book. It's 648.8. Thank you for joining me today, and have a great day.